Hey, welcome back for another video. I'm Melissa Muir. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a kit that's going to help you keep your tools safe when you begin to drill through stones. In the last few years, a stone-on-stone setting has become quite desirable, and also different types of stone cutting and carving. So if you're using your flex shaft or micromotor, you want to make certain you take care of it. Let's jump in and talk about the splashback kit available from Foredom. So the splashback kit is kind of nice. It comes with components for both the 3/32 or 1/8 inch shanks. So if I'm using one of those accessories, then at least I'm good to go. Another thing too is that there are multiples of each of them, so I can have multiple accessories ready to go at any given time. The kit also includes some instructions. They're visual and very easy to follow. In addition to the black O-rings and the white discs, they also have a number of bags as well as a rubber band just to kind of help secure everything. Now, as I stated, there is a set for 1/8 inch shanks and one for 3/32 inch shanks. To set these up, you are going to slip on one of the black rings followed by the white disc and again followed by a black ring. So you want to create this little sandwich, and then I'm going to move it up so that we're pretty close to the tip. Next, we're going to take the little bags that are provided and we're going to put in ever so slight of a small hole. It just needs to be big enough for the shank end of our burr to be inserted. So the black rubber and the white discs are going to help prevent any of the moisture getting into our handpiece. So next we need to hook this into our handpiece. When I work with the number 30 handpiece, I find that it is helpful to insert this into the handpiece, tighten it up, remove the washers, and then insert this into my bag, and then reinsert the different components. As a final step, take that provided rubber band and place it down below the spinning components of your handpiece. Using diamond coated tools are typically what we use when we're drilling on stone. So it is very important that you work with these wet so that you don't damage your bit, knock the diamonds off, or dull them prematurely. If you are using a handpiece or micromotor that has air vents, it is very important that you never cover those up and always leave those clear and unobstructed. We're now ready to go. I like to put my stone on a sponge in a container so that as I come down, that stone will be submerged in my water. Now, it is very important that you never ever submerge any of your hand pieces, whether it's a micromotor or just one of the hand pieces for a flex shaft. You always want to keep water away from them, hence the use of the splashback kit. When you're drilling, make sure that you stay underwater and you go nice and slow. If you go too fast, you again run that risk of overheating that drill bit and knocking off that diamond coating that is allowing you to drill through the stones. Take your time and allow that drill bit to do the work for you. And now we have our first hole that has gone all the way through. One of the other things that I like to do is follow up with a ball burr, again diamond coated, so that I can just clean up any breakout edges that might have happened. And depending on what I'm going to be doing as far as the flush set on the top, I may also need to kind of countersink that hole with a ball burr as well. And I would follow the same process to drill out any other holes necessary. The system can also be used with the Foredom drill press. Anytime you use any power tool, you really do need to make sure that you take your safety precautions. Pull your hair back, wear your glasses, and especially when you're drilling stones, even though you might be working underwater, make certain you wear a mask or a respirator to keep yourself safe. Hopefully you like these series of videos, and if so, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Make sure you ring that bell so that you receive all notifications for when new videos come out. As always, if you have questions or suggestions or anything else, make sure you drop those in the comment section below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.